These are all the tools you may need when installing the floor diffuser and taking out the old one. When taking out, you might use the pry bar, the screwdriver, the power drill, the hammer, and of course you also need the tape measure just to measure the size of this. It's standard, so it's 2 1/4 by 12. And once the old one's out, you just put this new one in. There's no screws necessary, at least for this model. That's it. So this is an old diffuser. It was probably put in around the 50s, 60s, or early 70s. And I'm going to replace this with a floor diffuser. Step 1, first take the cover off. This is a really old cover and I can't get it off, and it might have even been painted shut. So I'm just going to get a pry bar. So old and rusted, it practically came out. I'm off right there. Now, look for screws. There's a screw right here or a nail. Just pop that up. See? Yeah, it came off. Once you're done cleaning up the mess, you need to, and the cover's off, you need to locate the screws. Now, usually it won't be in this bad of a shape, but there's a screw right here, and there's a screw right there, and there's a screw down here, and there's probably one on the opposite side. Just go ahead and take either a hammer or like a crowbar or a prying tool and just pop that out. Again, try not to get anything down here. Now, if you can't get it all out with the nails, this is so old, just take my flat tip screwdriver, put it right behind here, take the hammer, and it's, as you can see, nice and loose. And there it is. After you vacuum, prepare the area, clean it, your floor diffuser is ready to be installed. The opening is, for me, it's 12, and this way it is 2 1/4. And all that you do then, this doesn't come with any screws. These are pretty basic. You can get these for, you know, about $5, $10 online. Pretty easy. You can go to a hardware store like Menards, and they're usually pretty cheap. Anyway, once you're done, just go ahead and put it all the way in, push it down, and that's it. This is a floor diffuser.